gosh, sweetie, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Oh, I like it.
Whoa, that is one heck of a dress.
Thanks.
And
the flowers.
this is the first piece of jewelry I ever got for Allie, the necklace. And this ring I saved for, I bought it when I was 8 years old. And I saved it for the girl that I was going to marry. I gave it to Allie about 4 years ago.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Ooh, oh, you say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I'm strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I am held when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours. And I believe.
Alexandra, I promise to love you always and treat you with respect. I promise to live up to the Bible's definition of a Christian man and lead you closer to God always, or at least strive to. And I'm really looking forward to my life with you. It's going to be a wild ride, but I can't think of anyone who I'd rather share it with than you.
Josh, as we embark on this journey together, there will be some ups and some downs. We cannot control our circumstances, but we can adjust our sails. With each stage of life we go through together, I will support you, challenge you, and respect you. I will do my best to show you the love that God shows us.
I, Joshua Michael Detzel,
Take you
take you, Alexandra Christine Petroulis,
to be my lawful wife,
to be my lawful wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to hold dear,
to love and to hold dear,
till death separates us,
till death separates us,
according to God's holy will.
according to God's holy will.
This I promise and pledge.
This I promise and pledge.
Amen. Joshua, you may kiss the bride.
You say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I'm strong when I think I'm weak. You say I'm held when I am falling short. When I don't belong, oh, you say I'm yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me. I believe. Days run, nights fall away. Street lights guiding me, they show me the way. Oh, 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 take my hand, escape our fate and walk alone.